Wow, thank you Lord. Si Goldie okay na. Kahapon po ay lumulutang na siya. Wala si Louie. She'll be very sad if she'll come back home without Goldie. So me and Amber prayed for her so bad. At niresuscitate ko po siya. And change the water. And she's alive! Thank you, Lord! Mahigit na po siya sa aming 3 years. Siya at si Trusty yung memory sa amin ni Safta. Nakasama namin. Oh, yeah, you heard the word Safta and you're happy. You heard the word Safta. Safta is Lola. Trusty, you heard as well Safta's name. Safta Dina. Oh. Yeah,